How to cancel subscription on Tinder app. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can cancel your subscription on Tinder. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me get you through. First, what you want to do is open up the Tinder app and you'll get an interface like this. Now once it loads up, you can see you'll get an interface like this. What you want to do is tap on the profile icon that you'll find at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can see a little profile icon. Tap on it, and here below your profile username and your profile picture, here at the bottom, if you have any subscription, you'll be able to see it here. If you have Tinder Platinum subscription, or if you have Tinder Gold, or any. Now once here, what you want to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it, and here you'll be able to see at the top, if you have any subscription, you'll find it right here. Now once you find your subscription, what you want to do is tap on it, and once you open up, you'll be able to cancel it accordingly. So this way you can cancel subscription on Tinder. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.